Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Origin Energy account simple and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel where we make managing your Origin Energy account simple and hassle-free. Today, we're diving into a straightforward method to log in and connect with Origin Energy quickly and securely. Whether you're a new user or need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Origin Energy website. Once there, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click it to access the login page. For existing customers, enter your registered email address or username into the designated field. Next, type your password carefully, ensuring there are no typographical errors. If you're logging in for the first time and haven't set a password yet, click on the Register or Create Account option to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details and set up your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it via your email. After entering your login information, click the Sign In button to proceed. Once logged in, you will have access to your Origin Energy dashboard where you can view and manage your energy usage, bills, payment options, and more. To connect your account with other services or smart home devices, navigate to the relevant section usually labeled My Account or Settings. Here, you can follow further prompts to link your Origin Energy account with compatible apps or devices for a connected energy experience. Remember, keeping your login details secure and logging out after each session adds an extra layer of safety to your personal information. With these simple steps, staying connected with Origin Energy is no longer complicated. Now you can effortlessly manage your energy needs anytime and anywhere through your online account. Don't forget to bookmark the login page for faster access in the future. We hope this guide makes your Origin Energy experience smoother and more convenient.